a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Your friends chillin', day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. You love, it's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is obviously a bob wig, girl, okay? And it's a straight bob wig. If you know me, you know, you may have noticed that I don't really get a whole lot of straight units in general, and I really don't get a whole lot of straight bobs because I do have a short neck, and I feel like bobs, especially straight bobs, look way better on people with longer necks, but we'll get into that in a little bit. So this unit, it says Unice short, straight, asymmetrical bob, lace front wig with side part, perfect for any face shape. It says it's a 13 by 4 lace part area, and it's 150% density. It says free hair hydro lotion. I don't know about that. I didn't receive that, but it does have it on here, so I wanted to mention it. It says the length available is 10, 12, and 14. Okay, so on the description it has blunt cut bob hairstyle that you will fall in love. Unice glueless side part bob lace front human hair wig, perfect for any face shape, very easy to style and transform your look. I will say it was really, really easy to style. I am not sure what length that they sent me, but I want to go for the 10. I don't see where I told them that, but I have worked with this company before, and I do typically mention, child, can you get it out? I do typically mention that I do prefer my bobs in the shortest length possible. I actually prefer my straight bobs 8 to 10 inches. Like 8 is perfect, but I'll do 10. But I usually do not like a bob to be any longer than that, like I said, because my neck is shorter. I do want to mention that this texture is more on the silkier side, which typically is something that I don't go for, but with this unit it kind of works because it's not like crazy silky, you know what I mean? Like there are some units that are super silky. It is a silkier texture. It's not yucky whatsoever, but it's not like stringy silky, if that makes any sense. It's not like shiny silky. It still has like a natural sort of feel to it, in my opinion. I also want to mention with this unit, I did not receive any shedding, no tangling, and I do feel like this wig is a big head friendly. So that's pretty much it as far as details and specs. Now, as far as it coming pre-tweezed, honey, like, you know, I always say she woke up like this, okay? She woke up like this. I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. how she came. This is how she came out of the packaging. All I did was have to put old girl on. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys how I feel about this wig, as well as give you guys a full 360. Obviously, I don't have to do a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So if you're interested in that, then please continue watching. Okay, y'all. So despite me not typically being a fan of bob wigs, I really am feeling this wig. It was really, really easy to style. It was very, very just like a convenient unit, and I needed that today because, honey, your girl is not feeling her absolute best today. Okay, so I really needed a unit that I can just kind of throw on, and it was just kind of an easy slay. I have places to go, things to do, and I just needed something that was going to be easy to do. And this one was that, and I think she's really, really cute. Now, I will say this, I have been cutting over here, and I'll probably end up just cutting that completely off. I love this side. I feel like this side is the perfect length for me. This side, the longer side, because it is an asymmetrical bob, meaning that one side is longer than the other. I actually just like really prefer it to be all this length over here. I just feel like those sort of bobs look the best on me, and I feel like they look more full the shorter they are. Like, in my opinion, this side looks a little thinner than this side, and I think it's, you know, like purely because of the extra length. Like, but I love the unit in general. I think it is a really cute unit. I love how it's just an effortless slay to me. And I did decide to tuck it behind my ears because of the long length on the other side. And I just feel like it looks better to me when it's kind of like tucked out behind my ear. But you can obviously style the wig however you want. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a look, y'all. Like, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you're a fan of bobs, or are you like me and you prefer curly bobs. Or if you're somebody that prefers a straight bob, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, let me know what you guys feel about this, how you guys feel about this unit, if you're feeling it. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or something I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, so it's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.